Today we are going to talk about IKEA, which is one of my most favorite shopping place of all times. And I've been to many IKEAs across the world when I was traveling on work. But when IKEA opened in Hyderabad, I was beyond myself with happiness. So YouTube is full of videos on IKEA shopping hauls and IKEA shopping tours. But this video is about how to shop smartly at IKEA. So there might be many tips and tricks about shopping smartly at IKEA, but today I'm going to share my top favorite 5 tips.
My tip number 1 is to visit the store at the best time. So if you're anything like me, I'm sure you would want to avoid the rush under any cost. So if that's the case, I would recommend a weekday morning, say 30 minutes after the store opens, to be the best time to visit. As you can see, I am shooting this video at 10:30 a.m. and you can see the store is not crowded at all. It's pretty vacant and empty. IKEA stores usually receive a heavy footfall during evenings and during the weekends. So if your schedule permits, I would recommend you try your best to shop on a weekday morning. This will not only save you a lot of time, but also a lot of pain. Like I said before, IKEA is a maze and it is a maze of pretty things. So it's very easy to feel distracted or carried away at the store. And that's why tip number 2 is to use the map to locate the department that you want to visit. To stay focused, take a good look at this map at the very entrance. The store is mainly made of the showroom on the first floor and the market hall on the ground floor. And the store layout also takes care of the accessibility aspects, which is truly appreciable. I usually pick up the paper map that's available when you enter the store because it helps me locate the right shopping sections, find better shortcuts, and plan my shopping experience better. It also gives me information on finding cafeterias and washrooms. And if you need directions or shortcuts at any point, just look around for these blue boards. And if you have the will and the patience to enjoy the experience, just follow these white arrows on the floor to take a full walk around the store. At the store, you will notice that each item carries a detailed price tag, but some of these tags are colored differently. That brings us to our tip number 3, which is to look for the yellow tags, especially if you're looking for great offers. A totally yellow tag like this one indicates that this is your last chance to buy this product because this might be soon discontinued. So these gorgeous plates and glasses might soon be discontinued, but the good thing is that the prices of these last chance items are usually heavily discounted, which makes them very pocket friendly. Similarly, if you spot a product with a yellow box over a red box, it means that this is the lowest priced product in that category. For instance, among all these jars, Purva jars are priced at the lowest. A white tag like this one means that the product is marked at its full price and it does not offer a discount. So this pretty plant hanger that you see here is not on discount. Now another pocket-friendly tip of this video is tip number 4, which is to shop at IKEA's As Is section. Now As Is section is one of its kind. I've never seen anything like this before. It is located right next to the billing section and it has ex-display items and returned goods with heavy discounts. Thanks to IKEA's friendly return policy, the products here range from all departments, be it furniture, bookshelves, organizers, home decors and whatnot, and they are all in good shape. I remember last time I was here, I picked up window blinds which were marked down by almost 40%. It was a steal of a deal. And if you're planning to go to As Is section, make sure that you visit on a Monday or a Tuesday, because most people return their stuff on the weekends, which means the As Is section might be best stocked at the beginning of the week. At the store, you can't help but notice these posters around the floor talking about the IKEA family member discounts. So our tip number 5 is to become an IKEA family member. And seriously, there's no reason why not to sign up for IKEA family membership. It's not only easy, it's also free and it gets you major discounts. You can simply go to one of these kiosks at the store and simply follow instructions to become a member. This way you can avail exclusive deals and product discounts. You can also get your paper card printed instantly at the kiosk. Else, simply choose SMS instead of print to get the digital card sent over to your phone as SMS. The fun part is once you are signed up, you just don't get offers and discounts on your bill, but sometimes their deals extend to the restaurants as well, just like we got these coffees as freebies today. So who's complaining? So those were my top 5 favorite tips. However, there are a few other honorable mentions without getting much into details. The first one is to download the store app because it lets you plan and shop better. Also, IKEA offers a 60-day return policy and 90 days if you are a member. Also, you can drop off your kids under safe care at small land section at the store if they are aged between 4 and 10. And this facility is free up to 1 hour and 1.5 hours if you are a member. If you have more such shopping tips to share with us, please share it in the comments below. Very soon we are going to come up with another unique video on shopping from IKEA. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot. Also, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.